I can ask for help. Look at me! There are many things that I can do all by myself. I can brush my hair, I can dig a hole, I can jump rope, I can even kiss a frog if I want to. There are some things I can't do by myself. That's okay. Everyone needs help sometimes. I need help to check out at the store. Sometimes I need help because I don't want to do something. I don't like to make my bed, but it's easier if my dad helps me. Sometimes I need help because I can't do something. I can't do the buttons by myself. And sometimes I need help because I just like to be with someone. I like to clean up with a friend. If I need help, I can ask for help using these 4 steps. One, I find my grown-up or a friend I know can help me. I'm confused about math. I can ask my teacher. 2, I can say, "Help please," or "Can you help me?" or even just show them a help card. Miss Janet, can you help me? I would love to help. Thanks for asking. 3, I wait patiently for my partner to help me out. Mac and cheese is my favorite. I can wait for it. 4, I say thank you when I get the help. That way, my partner feels appreciated. That means it makes him feel good inside. Thanks for your help. Aw, that's nice. I want to help Jamal again. When I ask for help and get the help I need, I feel so good inside. I could just kiss myself instead of the frog. Phew! Your turn. Jackson needs help because he doesn't want to clean his room. Which one shows Jackson asking for help? Jasmine needs help because she can't tie her shoes. Which one shows Jasmine asking for help? I can't tie my shoes. Can you help me? Jasper wants help sweeping up. Which one shows Jasper asking for help? Help, please. Help Jade find a helper. Help Jade ask for help. Help, please. Help Jade wait by counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Help Jade say thank you. Thank you. Thanks for playing.